All right, so we are now going to talk about compound interest. This is where things get interesting. It says one common application of geometric recursion relations is compound interest loans and investments. A compound interest loan or investment is one where the amount of interest is dependent on the current balance and calculated as a percentage of the current value. The amount being borrowed or invested is called the principal. So this is where compound interest is different from simple interest. The fact that interest is dependent on the current balance. Remember back to simple interest. Simple interest, you calculated the interest based on the original amount. With compound interest, you calculate the interest on the current balance. And as we go through some more examples, that will make a bit more sense. All right, in general, you've got your recursion relation here for compound interest. So you've got your principal amount here. Then to find the next term, you're going to times R, where R represents the interest, by V of n. Now, V of n here is the value of the loan or investment after n compounding periods. Now, the idea of a compounding period is going to be very important, and we're going to spend a long time talking about that here. Before we move on to that, but can I just take note of this? And that is that R will be positive. So R will be a positive value greater than 1 for when this occurs. So it'll be 1.12 or 1.08 or 1.3. And we'll talk more about that as well. That's going to be very important, the fact that we have a 1 in front of it. All right, let's now jump into this first example.